Hi, welcome to MyCubeToons. Today we're going to draw Yoshi from Super Mario. Grab your marker and follow along with me. In the middle of the page, we're going to draw a half circle. Now I'm going to start here on top. I'm going to draw a big half circle as best as I can. Now right on top of this circle, this is Yoshi's nose, and now right on top of that I'm going to draw an eye. So as we usually do, I'm just going to start here and I'm just going to draw a smaller line below. Or maybe let's make that thick, a thick line below. Now on top, I'm going to draw a nice big curve and I'll bring it over. And on this side, I'm going to do the same thing. Now within that, you're going to start with a pupil, and then on the other eye, you're going to do another pupil. Right, let's do some two light reflections as well. I'm going to draw two light reflections and a light reflection there as well. Now let's fill the pupils in. Now right on top, we're going to draw a brow for Yoshi. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to take it all the way around, and then I'm going to draw a cheek, bring it out to the cheek, and then you bring it in underneath the nose. And now from here, we're going to draw a little cheek. And then we'll do the other side of the brow as well. Now the next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw an arm, a hand. Now I'm going to start here at the bottom, and I'm just going to draw the top of the hand, and I'm going to draw the first finger. And then again, another finger, and we're going to draw 3 fingers. And a little hook there. And then just the bottom of the hand as well. Then we're going to draw the upper part of the arm. And then right here, you're going to draw the outside of the arm, the back side, with the elbow. And then you just connect it back to the hand. And now we can connect the arm and the head. Now the next thing I'm going to do, just below that, I'm going to draw the leg. Now I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw the back side of the leg, bring it down, sort of like a tear shape. And now that we have this tear shape, we can draw the first part of his body, just the side of it. So you're going to draw a little curve downwards, and you're going to follow it through, and you're going to connect it to the leg. And now we can draw a tail. I'm going to start here by the arm, so here's the back going down, and I'm just going to draw a little tail going upwards, and then of course downwards. On the back, you're just going to draw a little line going down, and then of course you're going to draw a little scale. I think it's some scales standing upwards on his body. And then I'm going to start here at the top. Let's start at the top, and we're just going to draw a few of these scales, and then one below. There we go. And now we're going to do the outside of his body. I'm going to start right here below the mouth, and I'm just going to make a nice curve downwards for his belly and connect it to the leg. And now we can draw the shoes. I'm going to start on the inside. I'm just going to draw a shoe like this, and we're going to start there as well, a little shoe. And then you're going to bring it down, and on this side we're going to do the same thing as well. And then you're just going to connect these lines with each other. And right below that, a little sole. Let's do the other leg. Connect it to the shoe, line down. Now you're going to start here, you're going to bring a line over, down, straight back, connect. And then of course a little sole as well. And there we go, and there's Yoshi. Now let's take our markers or our crayons or our coloring pencils and color Yoshi in. And there's Yoshi. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.